Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by preparing the scalp. Wash with a mild, residue-free shampoo and towel dry. This improves absorption. Once done, shake the Dr. Groot bottle and do a quick patch test behind your ear for 24 hours to check sensitivity. Next, measure the dose. Use 1 pump or 1 ml per 10 cm2 of target area so coverage is even. Apply dots across the region, then spread gently with fingertips. This first step sets up every subsequent treatment for reliable results. Once the product is on, you apply it strategically. Place small drops on thinning spots, at the hairline, and any weakened patches. Then, make sure to massage for 30 to 60 seconds. This increases blood flow and helps the formula penetrate follicles. Continue using the product at the labeled frequency, typically daily, and pair with a gentle comb-through to distribute evenly. Also, avoid immediate washing. Letting it sit for several hours maximizes active ingredient uptake and enhances long-term benefit. You finish each session by allowing the product to dry naturally. Do not apply heat or heavy styling for 1 to 2 hours so the actives remain effective. Then, monitor progress weekly and document photos. Most users see visible change in 8 to 12 weeks, so be patient. If you experience irritation, stop immediately, rinse with cool water, and review your patch test results. If symptoms persist, consult a clinician. This single troubleshooting step prevents complications and keeps the regimen safe and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.